Hi, I'm Alex Vanderberg from Allways Precision. This is a video series that we're creating showing some common troubleshooting steps to get you back up and running fast. So the Z-axis holding brake error is caused by low voltage on your servo drive. So I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to check that, turn it up so we can get you back up and running fast. First, we need to identify what servo drive is causing the error. On most of our gantry machines, it's going to be this drive here, DR19230. Please check your schematics though, as this may be different depending on your specific model machine. You're going to need a multimeter set to DC so we can check voltage on the drive. So you need to put the black probe into the common port and the red probe into the 24-volt port. On your multimeter, you want to make sure that you have over 24 volts. These drives can be very sensitive, so if they're displaying even 23.9 volts, that can be too low to cause this error. The drives has a voltage tolerance of plus or minus 10%. So we recommend setting this to 24.1 or 24.2 volts. On most gantry machines, you're going to be looking for power supply PWS 2480, but please consult your schematics for your specific machine. Using a small slotted screwdriver, on the power supply, there's an adjustment knob to turn the voltage up. Turn the knob clockwise to adjust the voltage until you see 24.1 volts DC at the drive. We're now showing 24.1 volts on our multimeter, so we should be good to go. Simply restart your machine, clear the faults, and you'll be ready to run production.